Hey everyone! Welcome to the Mindset Horizon. Fall is here. The air is changing, the leaves are turning, and with it comes a new chance to begin again. For students, fall isn't just about a new semester. It's about a new mindset, a new chapter, a fresh opportunity to prove to yourself what you're capable of. But let's be honest. College and university life can be exhausting. Assignments keep piling up. Exams appear faster than expected. Social distractions keep pulling your mind away from the goals you set. And sometimes you feel drained before you even start. But this fall is different. This fall, you are not going to burn out. You are not going to settle. This fall, you are going to rebuild your focus. Stronger, sharper, more powerful than ever. Think about it like this. Every single hour you spend in focus is an investment in your future. One focused study session can make a difficult concept click. One disciplined week can put you ahead of your classmates. And one semester of consistent focus, that can completely change the trajectory of your life. Fall is not the season of collapse. It's the season of construction. This is when you lay the bricks for your future. And every brick of discipline, every block of effort, builds a foundation that will carry you for years to come. Yes, it feels heavy. Yes, the pressure is real. But don't run from it. Pressure isn't your enemy, it's your training ground. Pressure is what turns ordinary stones into diamonds. And inside you, there is a diamond waiting to shine. So, how do you win this fall without burning out? It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Here are the keys. First, cut the noise. When it's time to study, shut down the distractions. Your phone doesn't need you every second. Social media will still be there later. Right now, your goals need your full attention. Second, break your mountain into steps. Don't stare at the weight of an entire semester. Break it down into weeks, then days, then tasks. And when you complete one step, celebrate it. Small wins build momentum for big victories. Third, reward progress. Too often, we punish ourselves for what we didn't do instead of recognizing what we did achieve. Every page you read, every note you write, every lecture you attend, it counts. And finally, never forget why you started. Your degree isn't just about grades. It's about persistence, discipline, and the ability to keep going when life gets hard. It's about building a future where you can look back and say, I didn't quit. I kept going. Picture yourself walking into class with focus, not fear. Picture yourself opening a book and actually feeling excited because you know every page is a step closer to your dream. Picture yourself finishing an assignment, not just for a grade, but as a declaration of who you're becoming. This fall, when you sit down to write, don't just write words, write your future. When you revise your notes, don't just memorize facts, train your mind. When you study for exams, don't just chase grades, chase growth. Because this season isn't just about passing. It's about building yourself stronger. It's about stacking up wins, one after another. And by the time winter comes, you won't just look back and say, I survived. You'll say, I transformed. So here's the truth. The path won't always be easy. You will get tired. You will feel like quitting. But when that moment comes, remember this. Focus is not about never falling off track. It's about coming back, stronger, every single time. This fall, you are not here for excuses. You are not here for distractions. You are here for growth. No burnout. No wasted time. Only clarity, only discipline, only wins. Because your focus is your superpower. And once you rebuild it, once you sharpen it, nothing, absolutely nothing, can stop you. So stand tall this season. Step into your lectures with purpose. Open your books with confidence. And approach your goals with fire. This is your time. This is your fall. Rebuild your focus. Protect your energy. Collect your wins. And build yourself into someone unstoppable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends.